Having two post-secondary institutions like we have in the central Okanagan really can act as a catalyst for industries coming to this region.
My name is Neil Facina, and I have the distinct pleasure of serving as the president of Okanagan College.
My name is Leslie Cormack, and I'm the principal and deputy vice chancellor here at UBC Okanagan.
Consider the role that the two institutions have in a community. A fantastic research-intensive university like UBCO, and then working in partnership with us where we focus on the applied research space. Doesn't matter what type of talent you're looking for or whether or not you're a startup or an established organization, you've got an educational partner in either UBC Okanagan or Okanagan College that can help identify and develop some of those talent needs that you need.
UBCO is a top 50 university in the world, and we are deeply embedded in the community in terms of the research that we do and the opportunities we give for our students. We have research that is working with businesses in the region to make things better for them and to come up with solutions that have global impact.
When we look at the history of OC, one thing has remained constant, and that is its connection to the communities that we serve. Our culinary students are actually out in the farm fields, understanding the produce that they're working with. Our viticulture students are in the vines, understanding how the grapes are maturing.
Not all of our students come from the region. 20% come international. And you know, more than 50% of our graduates stay and settle in the Okanagan. So that tells you that we are building capacity within the region with highly qualified, diverse young people.
When we think about the Okanagan College that we know today, it authentically is a place for everyone and anyone. Our goal is to be able to create learning opportunities where people can transform themselves into whatever their next life journey goal is. As I look at where we're going, what we need to be able to do is continually evolve, continually get better, really become that college of the future so that in 15, 20, 25 years, the community is able to look at us and say, man, we can't imagine a community without Okanagan College.
UBCO is embedded in Kelowna and central Okanagan in a really strong way. We needed to be downtown where we're putting healthcare, research, and student housing. What I love is that we are changing together. We have everything we need to succeed today and unlimited opportunities for the future.
When you attend a convocation and you watch a student come across the stage, the smile on their face is incredible. They know they have achieved something.
The Okanagan is a land of opportunity. When I think about what makes us successful, it's our students that we train and we send out into the world, and they make a difference.